Hi, Taurus. It's your girl, Faith. Thanks for coming back. Remember to have faith over fear, Taurus. Even when you're afraid, have faith that everything will work out. This message is for you and your person, Taurus, for November. Let's get it. Oh, okay. Father. Taurus, right now I'm feeling like there's a father figure that you may be, or there's an older person in your life that you may be feeling like things are coming to an end with. You or somebody in this situation, there's an older male figure in this situation, and they feel like things are coming to an end between you two, personal or professional. Someone feels like what happened between them, but you and this person, that you are the innocent one, Taurus, and there's no other recourse but maybe to put this to an end. This could be a person, place, situation, job, relationship with somebody. You feel like this situation may no longer serve you, or somebody in this situation feels like something no longer serves them. Feeling as if somebody feels like what they contribute, their strength, their wisdom, their skills is very big contribution, and they don't feel like they deserve what happened to them in the situation. Okay. What else is going on between you and this person? You turned upside down, Taurus. This situation got you turned upside down. Forgiving and learning. Religious factors. Engagement. So perhaps you feel, Taurus, or someone in this situation feels like they're trying to let go the past, trying to let go things that hurt them or hurt the relationship between you both. There's a lot of passion here. There's a lot of, spirituality, tradition. There's, there's a higher level of commitment here. And someone feels like they don't deserve the situation or something that happened here. And although they tried to learn from past mistakes and learn from situations that have hurt them and what they learned for, the past still haunts them. It looks like somebody's trying to apologize and somebody doesn't want to accept the apology. And although this might be a higher level of commitment, somebody's really thinking about like it's a conflict because it's at a higher level of commitment. And it's a conflict for them to try to end this situation. Not conflict, but like it's conflicting within you, Taurus. Like you feel conflicted, but you feel like you might have to end this situation. Because you really feel like you the innocent one in this situation. Something. Taurus. Something. You worried about something. Something's wrong with your hands or your body. You got to go to the doctor. You're not feeling well. Please go to the doctor. Like, you feel like you're tired of feeling like, again, like your time and your energy is not valued in the situation. And you feel like you need to make a decision on how you should move. Because this was like everything you wanted. And now you feel like you got to go back to the drawing board and be creative again on what next steps you take. You really in your head about this decision. This may involve your house or your home. Your house or your home. This involves your house and your home, but it may involve something professional as well. Taurus, you need to go to the doctor. Something's wrong with your hands or your leg or something, or your private parts. And the doctor's telling you about this. But it looks like he could also be pointing to your throat or your chest. Yeah. Let's see what your person is thinking. Your person, is feeling like there's a lot of games being played. There's a lot of, like, somebody's coming in fast with some really strong, disrespectful conversation. It looks like you guys are not on the same accord right now. And you feel like this person is being very strategic with their words. Like they playing games, word games. The Hierophant. Your person feels like they understand that this is a higher level commitment. They understand that this is a traditional situation. They understand that, it seems like the person don't want to fight. The person wants to heal, wants to be free, wants to have a good time. But you see this person as not on your team by the things they said and the things they did. And they being real strategic and they coming in strong on you. And you like, it's like, even though they coming in strong and they being very strategic with the way they playing word games, you feel like, and they not on your side. And you feel like they trying to win for their team or for themselves. And you feel like, we in this higher level of commitment. We got this baby or we got this situation going on. We need to heal this. That's what somebody's saying. Oh. Taurus, you feel like your person, there's an energy of someone feeling like, I feel like you feel like your person is like like a playboy or playgirl, and they out there, having new starts, like, taking risks with other people. That's what I feel like. You feel like somebody's out there being with somebody else, whining and dining, drinking, talking in their ear, having a good time, when they should be thinking about their house and healing what's in their house. And you think this person's ready to walk off and take a risk. And you feel like this person is very charming, very seductive, very charismatic, could get anybody they want. And you feel like they out there taking risks by themselves. This person may communicate really quickly again, but the way they communicate is really cold, really bitter, really like, really cold. They, whatever they say to you, Taurus, you feel like they really cold in their conversation. Some information might be coming in from somebody of authority. Anything else? Your person, Taurus, feels like you are very possessive at times. You are very like possessive and obsessive about things that you should take lightly, and you worry too much. They feel like you really feel like they feel like you have a real tight hold on them, and they can't do anything or say anything without you, you know, like taking it the wrong way, or they feel like you know how they are. You know they help everybody in the community and people help them. So why are you taking it that way? You also feel like if you say something to somebody, then you're going to feel like you're going to be in trouble too, Taurus. If you say how you really feel to somebody. Oh. Taurus. You feel like this situation could really have gotten out of control. You feel really, you feeling low right now. You feel like being isolated too. You feel like just going off and doing something, like your emotions all over the place. You just feel like you feel like things, this was really big. Like your whole world came crashing down around this situation, Taurus. And it's really hurtful. And you're trying to avoid a total disaster, but you feel really low right now. You feel like you want to go back to your old ways. You feel like, I'm trying to reconcile. I'm trying to collaborate with somebody and that I love, and this is what happens. Yeah, you really, you really feel bad about this. You really feel like this might be over. You want to flip out. You want to flip the house out. You want to throw shit. You want to tear shit up, Taurus. You really disappointed about this situation. You really like to throw shit out. You really ready to tear shit down. You ready for a change. Because you upset that you didn't know this situation. You upset that this shit came to light. And you very disgusted with it. This may involve somebody you was just intimate with, just loving. You're very upset about this situation, Taurus. What's the outcome? The Queen of Wands is the outcome. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman. A public defender. You feel like you may have better luck and success with this Queen of Wands. You feel like this Queen of Wands is your jackpot. You feel like this woman, charismatic, loving, professional. She was the best opportunity you had, and you really want to go seize it. And you looking maybe to go rebuild with that. Or build with that. But you don't know if this might be for your right path in life. To be continued, Taurus. To be continued. Let's see what happens in a few days. Take care, Taurus. Your girl Faith loves you. Tune in next time.